Welcome to today's video where I will be showing you how to add control panel to your desktop in Windows 10. Let's get started. First, make sure you are on the desktop. Once you're there, right-click your mouse, and in the drop-down menu, click on Personalization, which is located at the bottom. Then, on the left-hand side, you will see Themes. Click on it, and it will take you to the Themes page. On the right side of the page, under Related Settings, you will see an option for Desktop Icon Settings. Click on it. A new window will appear, where you can select the icons you would like to have on your desktop. In this case, we want to add Control Panel. Check the box next to Control Panel, and then click Apply, followed by OK. And just like that, Control Panel will appear on your desktop, providing you quick and easy access to this important tool. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this one.